Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for such a great response and participation. Today, my topic is why French for MBA students. French is not only a language, it is a business skill. French is now spoken in 30 plus countries and it is also used in multinational companies like Decathlon, L'Oreal, Accenture and many more. Whether you will be placed in HR, marketing, sales, finance, consulting, French is going to be strongly competitive advantage to your profile. It will emphasize on better job profile, higher paid salaries, international exposure. You need not have to be perfect in French. You just need to be consistent and follow the right path which I will be guiding you. At the end of the course, you will be able to introduce yourself professionally. You can talk about your job and company. You will be able to handle basic business conversations. You can compose emails and attend meetings and so on. French is not difficult. It is different. If you understand the logic behind it, you will be able to learn easily with fun. So what are you waiting for? Do subscribe and follow my channel and let's begin this journey from scratch, from beginning. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.